Hello, my dear student. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic. The topic name is government and the development. As you know about that, what is the means of government and how it rule all over the country, and what is the duty of government in the country. So we can learn about the some duty that was the very important for the public our society, and the government develops many of the things that is the create the facility of the public. So take the single example of the school. In addition to the teacher provide you with the clean classroom, comfortable desks and chair, good ventilation, light, fans, drinking water with the water coolers, okay, neat clean toilets, etc. and etc. So auditorium is also a part of the school, laboratory, medical, etc. And these facilities help you to do your work in a better way. Okay, so when you do better in your life, then all these facilities very important for you. So such way, similarly the human society at any level requires some basic amenities like a health centers, hospitals, school, college, road, railway, water supply, set station system, electric supply, food distribution system, etc. are main basic need of the public society or the human society, okay, for the leading a quality of life. So in this chapter we have to know what facility of the public facility. In the previous video we have already know about the what is the means of public facility. Now next we discuss about the cost of public facility. So cost of public facility means what is the how the government provide us the facility as a publicly, okay. So the government needs money for the construction as well as the maintain of public facility. So the government is a responsible for the maintain all these type of the public facility that need as a public, okay. The main source of income of government is a tax that impose of the people. The different type of taxes are income tax, sale tax, entertainment tax, property tax, export and import tax, entry tax, custom duties and ceases, okay. These revenue, when the government collect these revenue, it utilize for the defense expenditures and the public welfare of the people. Clear? And every years the government present the annual budget in the parliament to improve the human life, okay. Because they want to present the annual budget in a parliament. The budget gives the detailed information of the expense incurred by the government in implementations of its program, okay. So it is also a declared how much it foresees spending in the coming years. Now some of the important plan that the implemented by the government. So 5 years plan of the most famous of the Indian government's plan, okay. So when in the ancient time, when you know very well that India became the independent, the economical of the country was in a very poor condition, okay. The state owing to the years of the exploitation by the British rules, the leaders hence visualized the development of the country in the planned manner, though specific plans for a limited period of time. So the government or the leader of the India model a 5 years plans. In these plans they adopted some from the Soviet Union. Okay, these plan adopted from the Soviet Union. Through planning, the government seek to the efficiently use for the country resources. The planning, this 5 years plan, okay, this 5 years plan, planning commission was set up in a March 1950. The Prime Minister of India in the ex officio chairman of a planning commission. Okay, so till the date there have been 11 5 years plan till 2011, the 12th plan for the period of 2012 to 17. Now we discuss about the first plan, first 5 years plan. Okay, you know very well that this plan for the agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India. So this first 5 years plan for the period of 1951 to 1956 focused on the improving the condition of agrarian sector. Agrarian sector means agriculture sector. Many of the irrigation projects were initiated during the period, including the Bhakra Nangal Bandh, Hirakund Dam. Okay, not only the Bhakra Nangal Bandh and Hirakund Dam, the Indra Institute of the Technology (IIT) were also started in this time period with the first 5 years plans. And after the Indra institution, the government also established the University Grant Commission. Okay, that is the setup to take care of the funding, to take measure of the strength the education system in the country. Okay, next 12th 5 years plan, it going on 2012 to 17. The 12th 5 years plan aims faster sustained and more inclusive growth of the economy. Okay, so this is the after the improving agriculture, okay, and education system and then the next plan it is the 12th plan, depend on the substantial increasing their growth, okay, and more inclusive growth, and this growth to achieve an all over growth rate of the 8%. Okay, next is the governments initiate for the development. The all around development of the country is necessary for the country economics development. So let us know some of the various steps that the government has taken the different field to the bring about the economical development. So first is the, you can see here, first development that the implemented by the government. India has one of the largest road network. Okay, it is the first. Why? Because when we develop our the road network, the trade of the country become increased. Okay, and second important, that is the government of India maintain the largest railway network in world. Okay, Indian Railway, it is a huge network divided into the 16 zones and the connect different part of the country. The railway help in the transportation of the both passengers and the goods. Why? Because it is a facility for the Indian people or the public facilities. Okay. Next is government also maintain the airport in the major cities of the country to facilitate the air travels. Okay, and some airports such as the Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Kolkata etc. are the national and international airport that flight many of the flights. Okay, and next is the National Thermal Power Corporation, NTPC. Okay, NTPC means National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, and second is NHPC, are the two main organizations responsible for the generation and the transmission of the power of country. Okay, electricity, you know, it is a basic need nowadays, and many of the public face the problem of the electricity. So this electricity is essential not only in our homes but for the growth in the agriculture and industrial sector as well as. Okay, it many big cities distribution of the power has been assigned to the private organization. The Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutkaran Yojana was launched in 2025. It aims to provide the electricity in the rural. And next is, that is the very important for the our public, it is a education. Okay, education of the masses is a important for the development of any nation. Okay, without education the public did not contribute the success of their country. Okay, so education is a the government has adopted programs such as Savera Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan and midday meal and scheme for the utilized for of the education. We have already learned that right to education in the previous chapter. So next we discuss about the government has also adopted certain housing scheme, especially for the lower income group of society. Okay, so the Indra Awas Yojana and the Ambedkar housing scheme are some of the programs of housing development in the rural areas. The Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission was adopted in 2005 to improve the infrastructure of the cities. The government has undertaken a large number of programs to improve the public health. The immunization campaign Pulse Polio was launched in the 1990, okay, to eradicate polio by the vaccinating all the children under the age of 5 years against the polio virus. The national program of health care for the elderly was launched in 2010 to provide the health care facility for the public. Okay, so these type of the health care provided by the government to facilitate to the public. Okay, next is the rural development. The rural development, if the government fail to the provide them job, they have any way provide their salary under the scheme, especially job card were issued to the members. The National Rural Drinking Water Program aims to provide clean and safe drinking water, and the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana and the Indra Awas Yojana are some of the other special projects for the rural development. Okay, so next we talking about the water and electricity crisis. You know, the India has a union of different. There are broken roads, scarcity of health centers and school, and shortage of drinking water. Many villages are still without electricity. So the Constitution of India recognized just the right to the water as a being a part of the right to the life under the Article 21. Okay, it is the right to every person, whether rich or poor, to have sufficient amount of water to fulfill his or her daily needs at the price that he or she can afford. Okay, the rural areas mostly depend on the natural sources of the water to meet the daily needs of the people. In many places they have a travel to the long distance to the access to drink water in a cities. Okay, you can also see the example of the Rajasthan, where many of the people take the different type of the pot and going travel to the fulfill up the water in a pond, river, and etc. That is the provide the water. It is a not clean water. Okay, so when there is a no water supply, tanker are called to provide the water. In the summer, when the public gets even more acute shortage of water, often leads the people fighting over their right to get water from the tanker or the tap. These are called water riots. Okay, now next is public water supply in a Porto Alegre. Okay, it is a place. It is a city of the Africa. Okay, and you know it is a city in Brazil. Okay, though there are many poor people in this city, what is remarkable is that is not that has a far lower